how to make Facebook custom audiences and why you need them. If you run any ads on Facebook or plan on doing it anytime soon, you need to build custom audiences. It's pretty easy to set up, and we'll show you that in a second. What are custom audiences? They are lists of people that you can create within the Facebook Ads Manager system that you can send specific marketing messages to or running ads to them. So you can make a list of people that have engaged with your Facebook page, people that have engaged with a particular video or more than one video, people that have visited your website. You can even import your email list into Facebook, and they will see how many of the people on your list they know, and then you can start running ads to them. It's much more effective to run Facebook ads to people that know, like, and trust you already, or at least know you already. You can even make a list of people that engage with you within Messenger and send them messages as well. That's a bit of a different topic because you have to use third-party applications to send them messages or broadcast messages. It's just another way that you can use Facebook effectively, and you need to get on this right away. If you want to make a list of people that have engaged with your website or visited your website, you have to put the Facebook pixel on your website first. Facebook pixel tracks all the people that visit your website. You can even break it down to people that saw a certain product, people that saw a certain category of product, people that actually clicked add to cart if you have an online store, people that have actually purchased from you. You can really narrow down your audience so you can send really hyper-targeted ads to them. And if that seems overwhelming, then the first one you need to do right away is a custom audience for all the people that have engaged with your Facebook page over the last period of time. I think it's 180 or 365 days. It's really important because you put all this effort into posting every day and engaging with your fans. Well, now you can build a list of all those people and then run ads. So what kind of ads should you run? Well, you can run any kind of ads. You can run story ads, you can run discount ads, you can run if you have new clearance items you want to send out, you can run an ad about a new product you got in. You can run an ad showing just what's going on in your business, which is really effective. You can run an ad just training people. If you have a service, you can just train people on a topic that you're an expert about. It's really endless on what types of ads you can send to these people, and it's so effective. It's not very expensive. We have lots of clients that are spending $5 a day and even less on Facebook ads, and that just runs continuously. So you're talking $150 a month. You can even expand your audience even more by creating lookalike audiences. And what those are is they take a group of people that already know you, let's say your email list, and then they'll go out and look for people that are very similar to what the people on your email list, because it's probably safe to say that the people that are similar to the people that are on your email list are much more likely to engage with your brand or to even buy from you. That's what's called a lookalike audience, and those can be really effective too. So why don't we head over to the computer and I'll show you where to create these audiences quickly and see how easy it really is. Here we are in my Facebook Business Manager. To get to this area, which is your audiences, you would click on the little 3 bars up here. Some people like to call it a sandwich or a hamburger. And you click on it and then you hover over all tools and you'll see it over here under one of your assets. It's audiences. On the left-hand side, Facebook makes a list of those that you frequently use, so you can see that I use it a lot. But if you don't see it here, you will see it over here under assets. So we'll click on that. Once you're here, you'll see a list of all the audiences that you created in the past, some saved audiences, some custom audiences, which today we're talking about custom audiences. Also, I apologize for the air conditioning sound in the background. It's really hot here in Saskatoon today, and I left it on, but next time I should probably shut it off. I think you can hear me okay, or at least I could have worn a lavalier mic, so I apologize, but sometimes you just have to roll with the punches. So to create a new audience, you click Create Audience, and you create, here's where you can choose custom audience or lookalike audience. Today I'll focus mostly on custom. We'll do another video on lookalike. So here's where you see all your sources. So website traffic is if you have the pixel on your website, you could make a list of all those people that have interacted with your website or visited your website. Over here you have customer file. This is where you would upload your email list if you have any. We have a client, just the other day, we uploaded 2 email lists because they segregate their email list. So isn't that fantastic? You can target specific lists with specific messaging. It's so awesome to people that have already engaged or possibly know, possibly like, and even probably trust your brand and purchase from you for. It's pretty awesome. Here's where you can make a custom audience using Facebook sources. So this is where you click to make an audience of all those people that engage with a particular video or more than one video. It's pretty awesome. Here's where you can make an audience of people that have engaged with your Instagram page. And here is another one we use a lot, which is making a list of people that have engaged with their Facebook page. This is pretty awesome because you may have people that engage with you on Instagram that are very different than the group of people that engage with Facebook. So you can structure your ads and your messaging much more clear. So let's click on the Facebook page right now. It's pretty straightforward in what you do. So I'm going to include people who met any of the following criteria on this Facebook page. So people that have engaged with my Facebook page over the last 365 days, or you can break it down even further. Anyone who visited your page, people who engaged with any page or post, people who clicked on any call to action. You get the message. You can break it down even further. If you're just starting out, you'll probably just put everyone engaged with your page, which is all the stuff below. That's what I usually do. Unless you have a client or you have a business that you've already done this a lot, you can segregate even more. When you name your audience, make sure you have a really good naming structure. So I would call this one engagement audience 365. And you can put your Facebook page if you have several Facebook pages so you don't get confused. But that's it. It's pretty easy. I won't create this audience because I've already got this one already. So I'll click cancel. It's pretty amazing, and this is where all your audiences will show up. Sometimes they won't populate right away. Sometimes they'll take a bit of time, but it's pretty fantastic. Imagine you can make a list of people that already like you or love you or purchase from you, and then you can send ads to these people with specific messaging. We talked about before what kind of ads you could send. This is what retargeting is or remarketing in some places call it. Doesn't matter what we call it. It's just so awesome. You can pinpoint people and send them specific messages. It's pretty awesome. That's how you set up custom audiences. We gave you reasons on why you should use custom audiences. It's so effective. We even talked about how inexpensive it can be to run Facebook ads. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I post videos like this all the time in order to help your small local business be more effective online and on your social media platforms. And as always, if you need help, you have any questions, you want help with your specific Facebook ads, I'll be glad to help. All you have to do is send me an email, comment below, send me a private message on Facebook, whatever you want to do. It's on YouTube, it's Marketing with Charles. On Facebook, it's Up Close Local Marketing. The website is upcloselocalmarketing.com.